If your TCL Smart TV suddenly goes black, don't worry. In this video, I'll tell you why this can happen and how you can fix this. Let's dive in. Step 1. Power and connection check. Before anything complicated, always check the basics. Make sure the power cord is firmly plugged into the TV and wall outlet with no loose strips or surge protectors interfering. Also confirm that all HDMI or AV cables from your streaming device, cable box, or game console are secure. Step 2. Power cycle your TV. If your cables are good, the next step is a power cycle. Turn off the TV, unplug it from power, and wait at least 30 to 60 seconds. While unplugged, press and hold the TV's power button for about 10 seconds to drain residual charge. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 3. Check backlight and picture settings. Sometimes the TV is working, but you just can't see it. Shine a flashlight on your screen at an angle. If you can see a faint image, the backlight has failed and may need repair. Also, incorrect picture settings like brightness or backlight set too low can make the screen look black when it's not. Adjusting those settings can help. Step 4. Software and settings reset. If simple fixes don't help, it could be a software bug or corrupted settings. Try restarting your TV using the remote first. If that doesn't work, you may need to reset picture settings or even perform a factory reset through the menu. Be careful. A full factory reset will erase all your apps and preferences, so only use it if necessary. Step 5. Update firmware. Outdated or buggy software can lead to display problems. If your screen comes on at least partly, head to Settings, then to System and Software Update to check for updates. Installing the latest firmware can resolve known bugs and boost overall stability. If none of these steps work, especially if your TV shows no image even with a flashlight test, in that case, contact TCL support or a professional technician, especially if your TV is still under warranty.